Welcome to the exciting world of extreme moto. Today we will be talking about freestyle and motorcycle stunts, a unique and exciting sport that makes the hearts of bikers beat faster. Ready to plunge into the exciting atmosphere of extreme sports? Then let's get started. Motorcycle freestyle is a form of extreme sport in which motorcyclists perform spectacular stunts and acrobatic moves on special ramps and obstacles. Freestylers are not limited to the classical race, they can show maximum creativity, expressing their own style, and turning the most daring ideas into reality. Freestyle on motorcycles is an amazing combination of various elements. It is based on backflips, spectacular backflips, Turbosandwiches, a trick in which a motorcyclist makes two flips, Tsukana, stylish double clickers with legs, and many other tricks that demonstrate the skill and courage of the participants. The history of freestyle motorcycles began in the 90s, when a group of brave extreme sportsmen began to perform tricks on motorcycles on special ramps and obstacles. These pioneers, such as Mike Metzger, Carey Hart and Travis Pastrana, boldly turned their dreams into reality and formed the foundations of motorcycle freestyle, which soon became a fascinating discipline in its own right. Freestyle on motorcycles is not only incredible stunts, but also hard work and discipline. Participants devote a lot of time to training in order to master new elements and improve their level. Safety is of particular importance because the risk of damage is high. Ramps and special equipment help to minimize the danger, but still require incredible courage and professionalism. Freestyle motorcycles have had a huge impact on motorcycle culture and have attracted millions of fans from all over the world. Freestylers perform at races, shows and festivals, showcasing their tricks and inspiring others to follow in their footsteps. Freestyle and motorcycle stunts are a unique and exciting expression of passion and skill. These extreme bikers push the limits of physical ability and go to never-before-seen heights of creativity. Freestyle on motorcycles is the embodiment of freedom, courage and genuine passion for the motorcycle industry.